Hello everyone, welcome to the video. So what we have here today is this Tampa Bay Tripoli ceiling fan. This fan is for sale. I just took it off eBay since I'm gonna have it on a private sale for now. PayPal me. I'll give you my PayPal if anyone's interested in this. Just message me on Instagram at IamSimilar. But yeah, here it is. Got a little scuffed up from shipping. This was like the only fan that wasn't in a bin because I forgot to pack this fan, so I just threw it in a box. Has everything. It is complete. 30 bucks or best offer. Yeah, it comes with everything. Can't be down, just for testing purposes. This side has some nicks on it. Yeah, this is the worst. This right there. Other than that, the cherry side is pretty good. Besides that little nick, but there's the blades. It works, but I need it gone by Friday or else it's going to scrap. But yeah, anyways, we will start with the light. The fan chain was broken when I got it, so there's just there's two beads sticking out, and I just put a clip on there, and then I just put this extension on. So sometimes it will get stuck, the chain. The mechanism isn't messed up, it's just because of the way I have it in the pull chain system. So the pull chain is up here, and then it feeds down in these holes, and then goes down there. But just the only flaw, other than it's a little scuffed up. So in order for it to not stick, you have to pull outwards. You can't like pull straight down like this one. Here's high. So I'll show you what I had to do here. So if I pull out here, see that? There was like two beads left sticking out, so that's why I have to pull out like that. But yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.